Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. If you all are doing great, today I'm going to be showing you how to play the next market direction right here on OTC market on pocket option platform. I'm currently watching this pair AD card on is an OTC pair. So this is the 5 minutes chart and I'm already seeing some few rejections and the market is basically on the downtrend. If you look at the 1 minute chart, it's giving us lower low, lower high pattern. So currently the market has made a low, so I might not be really too confident to sell because the market has already traded down. So if I want to sell, I will need a retracement just to get a good entry and a good region. So right here, I would like to buy this market at this lowest point because the market is at a very low price, so it's best I buy. And let me see the close of this current candle. I think that's a good low with some good rejection. So I'm going to buy there for 4 minutes. Alright, good entry. So I took a higher option here because of the market pattern, lower low, lower high. And I want to see the markets reverse in terms of buyers. I want to see some buyers coming. Even on the 5 minutes chart, we can see that good rejection. The previous candle was strong, so we might just need some retracement candles this time around on the 1 minute chart. So that was why I went with a higher option. And you can see we're already getting some buyers entry. Alright, so let's see how it goes. So while this trade is running, I'll always remind you to join my Telegram community where I post daily updates about the market. I give out good information and some of my trade screenshots you can learn from. So it's something you need to be part of. If you're my real subscriber, do also join my Telegram channel. And if this is the first time on my channel, this is the best place you can learn how to trade binary option and how to trade Forex professionally. So you may need to subscribe so you can be getting my content first hand anytime I drop them. And as well, do also give me a like and drop a comment. I really value your comments so much. So do also drop comments and tell me how you related with the video. Alright, so we're on the second candle and we're getting some sellers, but it's still below, it's still above my entry. So hopefully I get more buyers in the next few minutes. Oh, market is dropping heavily. We still have about 2 more candles. I would like the market to still go higher. Okay, this is the third candle, and it's currently below my entry. Okay, that previous 5 minutes candle closed as a weak red candle. No wonder the new 5 minutes candle just started selling. The previous candle that I took the trade on, it had to close as a weak reversal candlestick. So what brought in this huge sellers was this new 5 minutes candle. So I think buyers could still come in probably on the next 5 minutes candle. Okay, we're on the last candle and the market is back at my entry. Let's see if it closes above my entry. Okay. It's trying to close above my entry, but it's just rejecting. Alright, we have a few seconds more. Oh, it's actually rejecting. I think this bias entry is a good sign. I might go with this trade again. I might buy again for 4 minutes. Hopefully it's going to be an item. I'll buy again for 4 minutes with double amount. So I increase my stake and place another buy trade, because that last candle gave me some signs that buyers are going to come in into this market, maybe more stronger this time around. So that was why I went with buyers again. And remember, the market pattern is lower low, lower high. So since it had made a low, it should surely make a high now. It should surely get some highs in this market. Okay, I think it should work this time. It's going to work this time. You can see the first candle was quite strong from buyers, and the market movement is changing. I think we're going to get good buyers entry this time around. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, you can see on the 5 minutes chart, this is the pattern I'm looking for. Lower low, lower high. Maybe to that level. I need some buyers to come in towards that level. But I like the way this current 5 minutes candle is rejecting. That's a very, very good sign that we're going to get more buyers interest in the market. So this is what the market is going to do. The market is going to reverse with this pattern. Alright, so we can see the first two candles are in our direction, and I've always told you that if the first two candles are in my direction, that means that trade should be an ITM. High chances the trade is going to be an ITM. It's quite clear that we have the first two candles in my direction here. So, and the market is really buying very well. It's far above my entry. So I think this one is a confirmed item. No need to panic again. This one is a sure item. Wow. 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 That was good. That was good. Okay, beautiful delivery. You can see my entry. It was a sniper entry from the onset. We have less than 1 minute. So this is the last candle. So it's a sure item. I think the market is going to begin higher high, higher low this moment, because that reversal was quite strong. You can see on the 5 minutes chart, good buyer's entry coming up. My entry on the 5 minutes chart was so beautiful. The market should be retesting that level I have there. At least buyers are going to take the market higher to that level first before any other thing happens in the market. Okay, we have a few seconds. Alright, perfect. That was a good item. I won the trade. Let me go back to my first tick. So there we go. The market is giving higher, higher low now, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to look out for more good trades. On CAD CHF, this is rough market. CAD JPY, still not clear. CHF JPY, it looks partially good. I think I might just come back. I'm trying to look for another signal, but no need to waste time here. I'll just pause the video and come back. Alright guys, so I'm back here. I was surfing the market for a good signal, but I couldn't find. But I think I have something coming up here on Euro GBP. The market is giving us lower low, lower high pattern. If we look at the 5 minutes chart, the market is basically bearish. You can see strong sellers entry from the 5 minutes chart. But I would like to sell at that level I have above. I would like the market to retrace higher enough before I sell. So that would be the best entry for me to sell this market. But it's basically a downtrend and it's giving us lower low, lower high structure. Alright, so let that candle just cross that level a little. 4 minutes, I'm gonna sell there. Perfect. Alright, perfect. So I took a lower option here because you can see the market pattern. Lower low, lower high structure even on the 1 minute and on the 5 minutes chart. So I want the market to continue the selling. And I think that entry should be the best. The entry should be the best. So I'm expecting more sellers. The market looks like though it's ranging. It looks like it's not going below that low. So, but I just hope the market breaks that range this time around because it looks as though it's ranging within this high and this low like this. So, but I just expect the market to drop down and go below the range this time around because of the strong sellers I'm seeing on the 5 minutes chart. I think at the close of the 5 minutes chart, that's when we're going to start having sellers I'm looking for on this pair. But let's just see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. Hopefully sellers comes in. Okay, guys, so I told you after that 5 minutes candle closes, the new 5 minutes is going to bring in sellers, and we are right here on the last few seconds of my trade. Sellers are coming in now. It's a little bit below my entry. I have few seconds. Okay, I think that should be an item. That should be an item. I don't know, my internet is just taking much time. But the candle closed below my entry. That should be an item. Let's just give it a second. Oh, okay. Okay, you can see that was an item. Yeah, good one. So I was expecting the market to continue the lower low lower high pattern on the 5 minutes chart, which it did, and I won my trade on the last candle. Fair enough, that was still a good item. So this is the 5 minutes chart. Hopefully we get more sellers. I don't want to see the market continue this range. Hopefully we get more sellers into the market. Okay, this was that AD card I took the first time. You can see it's buying. After the market got to the level I marked, it retraced a little, and then look at the serious bias momentum we're having on this pair. Wow, exactly what I said about exactly what I predicted. You can see the buying. After it got to that level, it retraced and started giving us higher high, higher low structure. So that's it. If you want to get a deeper understanding about the market, you can always contact me. My contact details are below. Then I'm going to unveil to you the real secret about this market, so you can sit down and easily predict the next market direction. That's how you trade. Alright, it's not about just guessing the markets, it's about knowing what the market will do. That's when you get confidence to trade better. I'm looking at these two pairs, seeing if I could get a clear signal. This 80 card should be giving us higher high, higher low pattern, but I missed the bias, so I'm probably going to wait to join the trend for bias 2. I'm going to wait. Alright, good one. EURGBP is selling. Like I said, I want the market to sell. I don't want it to continue in that range. ADNZD. This one looks rough. This one looks rough. SC card. I think I'll need to refresh my internet and I'll come back. I'm not seeing a clear signal. Alright guys, so sorry about that, my internet was just delayed. I'm back here again. I was waiting for some clear signals I couldn't find, but I think now the market is going to be giving me something good. So here on EURGBP, we can see a serious downtrend. And we have a key level there. So the market could retrace up and sell. The market could retrace up, and once it touches that level, you should start selling, because everything here signifies selling. It's quite a downtrend. So for 4 minutes, once the market touches my level, I'm going to sell. Alright, it's currently there. So I'm going to pick my entry on the 1 minute. Alright, I'll go with sellers there. Okay, beautiful. So I went to sellers because of the market structure, lower low, lower high pattern. It's very simple. I just want the market to continue selling, and that entry is enough for me. The market shouldn't go more than that level. So that's the best point to sell in this market. I like the fact it's already rejecting, so hopefully sellers should just continue like that, and I'm gonna see how the trade goes. Alright, beautiful rejection from sellers. Like I always tell you, if the first two candles go in my direction, that's all. It's an item. is an item for me. Was the first two candles going my direction. I've mastered my powerful strategy, and that is what I teach my students, how to predict the next market direction using the powerful strategy. So I always tell them that if your trades are good, if your trades is correct, the market is going to support you, right? The market is going to form the bigger candles in the direction of your trade. So once you're in the right direction, you don't need to panic. Everything is just going to work in your favor. And how do I validate that? I want to see the first two candles go in the direction of my trade anytime I take them. It's not that the market doesn't come back to my entry. There was one trade I won here. About the first three candles was above my entry, but on the last candle the market supported me. But the second trade I took, immediately I took the trade, the market just went in my direction. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about. So currently here, the market has been selling. I think I have a sniper entry on this trade. The first candle was a good red candle. Currently the second candle is still deep in. Awesome. This is the kind of trade I'm talking about. I like this kind of trade. Once the market closed below the low of that green candle, you have continuous sellers again in the market. If it doesn't close, that means you might want to do a reversal pattern. Okay, but we had a weak candle. I think sellers could still be interested. Sellers could still be interested. I love that entry so much. That was a pinpoint accuracy and 3. Alright. The market is still dropping from the 5 minutes chart. That was a good one. I think this should be my last trade. The video is already long. Should be my last trade. If you want to learn more, do also contact me. My contact details are below. Alright, we have a few seconds more on the last candle. You can see the trade. This was awesomely delivered. Beautiful item with a sniper entry. This trade is fantastic. Alright, like so far I took about 4 trades on this video. 3 ITM, 1 OTM, beautiful price action, and I think if that intrigues you, you can awesome. You can see the sniper entry. So if that intrigues you, do also subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, hit the like button, and tell me what you think about the video. Until next time, I wish you all good luck with trading. Like I always say, you can join my mentorship program to be a better trader. Till next time, bye for now. Peace.